Hola familia, Aarón Sánchez aquí en casa. I'm gonna make it for you guys a dish I just absolutely love. It's Mexican street corn. They're also called esquites. Using my beautiful spice rub, Aarón Adobo. I'm gonna add some beautiful, nice thick mayo. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt, beautiful fresh cracked pepper, fresh lime juice at all times. It's just a touch. Now here is where the real magic comes into. This is Aarón Adobo, my beautiful spice mix. Whether you're just simply seasoning steak, chicken, it can go so many different directions. In this case, I'm gonna use this as a catalyst of flavor with the mayonnaise, okay? It's so versatile. It's loaded with beautiful dried chiles, coriander, cumin. You can distinguish what's in it by just the aromas. I love that. So let's start looking at our corn. I'm gonna start to peel away the layers. Peel all this. It's already cooked through, no biggie. A nice generous amount of that chili mayo, okay? Just give it a little quick mix. We'll add some beautiful cilantro. Flowers, look how gorgeous this is. And here you have it. Mexican street corn done my way with Aarón Adobo with my collection at Williams Sonoma. So go check it out.